Alright guys, we're going to do a little unboxing real quick. I picked this up off of Amazon for my DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. This is the Venom P4 Professional Charger, 400 watt 4-port Phantom 4 battery charger slash discharger. And what this is, it's a professional charger, 100 watts per cradle per battery. So it's supposed to give this thing, it's supposed to charge your batteries within about 45 to 65 minutes. You know, I do a lot of flying for topography videos and other things with my Phantom 4, and I was having a hard time getting good charge time. I was having to wait on bigger areas of land. It would take me I don't know, about 4 hours to charge 4 batteries. This is supposed to cut that time significantly. So what we have here is the I picked this thing up. It was about $286 on Amazon. So we'll go ahead and dive right in this. So what you have in the box, let's go ahead and open it up. If you purchase this from Amazon like I did, you're going to end up getting your charger, 4-port charger. Let's go ahead and pull that thing out. So really not too much. So what you're going to get your 4-port Venom charger. It's actually got 2 fans on this side. Another fan on this side, you know, to keep those batteries real cool, because it's going to be doing rapid charging, rapid intelligent charging, so you don't burn your batteries up. It's supposed to get it done really quick, so I had to put those fans on either side to get the heat distributed away from the batteries. Also, as soon as you get done flying, you know, your batteries are a little hot. With those 3 fans, you should be able to put your batteries directly in here. When those fans start sucking, it should pull the heat away from the battery and allow it to charge quicker by cooling. So you got that with your 3 fans. Also, they include 2 USB ports, I guess, to charge your devices that you're using, you know, to fly your copter. You know, you get your plug. It looks like it's about 4 feet. I would say that's roughly 4 feet. 4-foot plug. Also, you'll get a plug for your receiver, your controller, and then you'll also get operating manual. Now, I've done a little research on this already, so I kind of know how to use it. I try to do a lot of research on items that I buy, you know, just to make sure that I'm getting a good product. We spent a good bit of money on this, so I wanted to make sure that it's going to be capable of doing the task that I wanted it to do. Another cool feature about this, it's got an on and off switch. A lot of chargers that you get for your DJIs, you're not capable of turning them on and off, you know, so you could leave this plugged up to your inverter. When you get done charging, just go ahead and turn it off, and it should keep your battery life relatively good. You know, because your batteries don't die that quick when they keep the charge. And also, you're not going to run down your battery in your truck. If you got it plugged up to an inverter, you just flip that thing off, it'll stop pulling juice. So that's pretty much what's in the box. They packaged it pretty nice. You know, they put the foam in there so it doesn't get messed up. I do see one little imperfection on my aluminum right here. I'm a big perfectionist. I don't like seeing stuff like that, but all in all, hopefully it's a good device. I'm going to go ahead and plug it up, plug in some of these batteries in this receiver, and see. Before we do a little demonstration, I just wanted to go over these 2 buttons on each individual bay. Alright, first of all, you've got a cycle button and you've got a store button. So what this cycle button to do, when you get ready to charge, you turn your charger on, double click your battery so that it's on. Alright, stick your battery in the bay with the power button facing upwards, away from these buttons, and you'll rapidly hit cycle. Now when you do that, it's going to fully discharge this entire battery before it starts to charge. start to do that, it could take up to 8 hours to discharge a fully charged battery. So you got to keep that in mind. You know, do you want to go ahead and discharge your battery before you start charging and waste all that time? Or do you want to turn it on and go ahead and stick it in there and, you know, start your charge? Okay, so what this store button does, so when you hit this, okay, so when you turn your battery charger on, it comes on, and then you turn your battery on and stick it in there. This store button is going to take a prolonged period of time to charge your batteries. So that would just kind of, you know, like if you're not going to be using your drone for a while and you're just wanting to, you know, to charge them up, but, you know, not do your rapid charge, if you're thinking that it could, you know, mess with the integrity of the battery, then you would choose that option. So that's just a little bit behind these two batteries. So what we're going to do is go ahead and plug it in and give you a little demonstration on how this thing works. Okay, so first of all, it's plugged in, has power. Before you get ready to charge your battery, you're going to turn this thing on, and you can see when you turn it on, you get these LED lights. They're all green. That means the bay is ready to accept a battery. So what you'll do, I'll use this battery I don't have on yet. You'll click it once and then hold it, turn your battery on. You see this one has a charge of 3. Let me go ahead and just show you the cycle feature. So since it's already fully, well, not fully charged, 3/4. You'll stick this thing down, hear a click, and then hit cycle. Alright, so what that's going to do is it's going to discharge this entire battery before it starts charging. It could take up to 8 hours. So it's pulling the power that's already in the battery away, you know, and then once all the battery's gone, once all the lights have hit 0 or the first mark, actually they'll probably lose all marks, it'll start going back up and charging your battery. Alright, so let me just show you on this one. See, this battery's at 1. I've already got it powered on. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the second bay, and I'm not going to press cycle or store, and you'll see what happens. So now it's in the second bay. The charger is going to recognize what I want to do. And if you could look at this, so you see this battery is blinking. All right, in a couple minutes, maybe 10 minutes, it'll be at the second bore. So what it's doing is rapidly charging this battery. All right, so this battery's not on. What you're going to do, you're going to hold it, click it and then hold it. See, this battery's fully charged. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and do the discharge mode on this one as well, just to get it down. So I'm going to click it into place and then rapidly hit cycle. Alright, so now the charger knows what I want to do. It's going to start draining this battery. Now remember, it could take up to 8 hours. I'm not going to be on the video for 8 hours, so you might not see these start going down, but you should see this one start going up pretty soon. Alright, now I'm going to do the last feature. Oh, another note. See, this one's green, meaning it's ready to receive the battery. These are red, telling you that they're working on whatever mode you just chose to use this battery charger. The last one we're going to do is store. This battery is at 2% or 20. Alright, so you'll click it and then hold down, turn the battery on. The battery is on. Click it into place and rapidly hit store. Now, this battery, okay, so the charger realized what you want to do. Now, this status means that it's charging. It's going to be a prolonged charge because I hit the store option. So it's going to go up a lot slower. Now, you see this battery is just doing a rapid charge. It's already on the 20% mark. And you see that these lights are flashing a little bit faster than these lights. Well, now these have sped up a little bit. But anyways, this one's on store. You can notice that by this LED light right here flashing instead of being on a solid. This one is on the rapid charge mode, and these two are on cycle. So what that means is the battery charger is pulling charge from these two batteries. When they hit 0, it'll start a rapid charge, or maybe a rapid charge, and charge these up as fast as this one's going. This one's on a store option, so what that means is it's going to charge this battery over a prolonged period of time. Well, and that's pretty much it. Let me just show you the controller feature. Now, the controller doesn't have a store option or a cycle option. It's just going to be a rapid charge option, your receiver. So what you do is you'll plug the little, this little wire that comes along with it into the front above the 2 USB ports. Remember, these USB ports are for your devices that you use to fly your DJI Phantom 4. All right, so you'll just move the, you know, the little grommet there that holds over that. You'll take the provided wire, stick it into your charger, and it'll start charging automatically. You don't have to turn your receiver on at all. You know, it just kind of charges it just like any other DJI split charger will do. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is the Venom P4 4,000 watt, 400 watt charger with a 100 watt individual bay. I'm Cody Ward. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like it, if you want to know more about it, leave a comment below. If you like it, hit the like button, and you can also subscribe. All right, appreciate it.